Not excellent.
Okay, guys. We have a witch. Don't worry, she's not an evil witch. She wants to go on holiday. I'd like to go on holiday too. And she has all of these countries that she could choose from. We have Canada. Everyone say Canada.
Canada.
Britain.
Britain.
France.
France.
America.
America.
Japan.
Japan.
China.
China.
Okay. Now, I will start. I am going to describe where the witch is going using directions of up, down, right, left. And the students, when they know where the witch is going, they'll put their hand up and say, I know. So everyone say, I know.
I know.
Where the witch is going.
Where the witch is going.
Okay. So, everyone ask, where is the witch going?
Where is the witch going?
The witch is going up, left, left, up, left.
I know.
You know?
The
witch
witch
is going
Canada.
Yeah, to Canada.
To Canada.
Well done. Yes, the witch is going to Canada. Good. And we can put the witch up here, to Canada. The witch still wants to go on holiday. She's done Canada. So everyone ask, where is the witch going?
Where is the witch going?
The witch is going down, down, right, right, down, 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 right.
I know.
You know?
Yes. The witch is going to Japan.
Yeah, well done. Excellent. And then you can just continue. You can have as many different countries as you like. And once the students are pretty confident, they can be the person who is deciding where the witch goes. Okay, we'll see you later.
Bye.